The question I am asked all the time about Aurum is, Jeremy, can you withdraw your profits? Let me show you withdrawal proof right now. So the trading system that keeps on giving. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another withdrawal, this time for a 217.05. So I'm just going to click on the withdraw button. Going to select the stable coin that I want to receive. I'm going to pop my wallet address in there, and then I'm going to choose the Binance Smart Chain. Click continue. I'm going to withdraw the max. I'm drawing 217 and I'm going to get 213. So I'll click on withdraw and I have to put in the Google Authenticator, confirm that. Now my withdrawal's pending. So let me show you this account. Now, if you want to find out more about this amazing platform, then click the link below this video. The one I just did the withdrawal from was my wife's account. In this account, I've got $379 and I'm going to withdraw that. Again, select the stable coin, pop the wallet address in there, choose the Binance Smart Chain, click continue. I'm going to do the max again. So I'm withdrawing 379 and in my wallet, I'm going to receive 374. Click on withdraw, put in the Google Authenticator, gives an extra layer of protection. Click withdraw, and that also is pending to head over to my Trust wallet. I normally get these payments the same day, but I've had one instance that it's taken just up to 24 hours. But if you're interested to know how I'm using this system to create a passive income, as you can see there, I've just got my withdrawal notification to say that that's gone through. There's a $4 fee, and if I click on this, open that up in the blockchain. So there's the payment there. It's gone into my Trust wallet. So that's one of the payments that we just did. And if I log into my wife's Telegram and go to her notification, she's got her notification there. And if I click on this to open up the blockchain, you can see there. So this one's got the 213 and that one's got the 374. So the blockchain doesn't lie. Now, if you want to find out more about this amazing platform, then click the link below this video and let me send you an amazing video presentation. So if you're ready to get started with your passive income journey, click the link below. You have a great day, take care, stay safe, and I will see you in a video very soon.